Alright guys, what is up everyone? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Beta Finance. This thing is absolutely mooning right now, currently up 6,000%. Now, before I get into the technicals, no, it is up 6,000% maybe for the company or maybe perhaps since the reason why it's up 6,000% is because it was traded at 6 cents, okay? Now it's currently up $4, but before I get into explaining why people aren't getting rich from this, I want to explain to what beta is. Beta finance is a permissionless moneymaker for borrowing, lending, and shorting crypto assets. This means that anyone at any time is able to create money market for any crypto assets. Of course, this is supposed to stabilize. They want to reduce volatility, as you guys can see over here. Beta finance aims to offset crypto volatility and bring the market stats to stability. Sorry guys, I'm too hyped, of course, for you guys, but nothing too crazy to see here over here. Now, I want to get into the technicals right here. We got 16% of the total supply. Okay, so we got $1 billion, 1 billion tokens in circulation. What does that mean? That means that there's 160 million tokens in circulation, okay? Nice, great job. Now, the public sale price was 6 cents. Now here it says price in BNB will determine prior to the start of the subscription. Okay, so you're essentially staking BNB in order to get this. Okay, so you had 7 days. Now I don't know what the staking was. I don't know if it was 10%, 20%. I don't know how much, but here it says right here that you could have staked up to 46 BNBs, which is equivalent to $20,000. That does not mean that if you invest $20,000 you will essentially get 333,000 BNDs beta tokens back, because assuming you did that, you would have been up you would have been a millionaire right now, because it's currently up 6,000%. So no, it doesn't work like that. It depends on how much you stake. So now, for example, if you staked, let's say 46 BNBs, you probably got like 700 beta tokens in reward. Now, of course, that's just an example. Okay, you didn't get 330,000, you got 700. Now, people are saying, "Oh, so what's the point of staking 46 BNBs?" Well, this is actually risk-free, guys. Just for you guys who don't know this, you are actually not wasting your money on investing in this. It's a subscription, so that means you essentially get your BNBs back. So it's staking. That's what a Launchpad is essentially. It distributes the staking or the rewards to everyone around who invested into this token. And this is how a Launchpad works right here. Project introduction. Now here, this is a key feature and highlight. One-click short tool. Beta Finance provides a simple integrated tool to allow DeFi user to short sell an atomic transaction. Okay, so I don't know, maybe for people this is cool, for people maybe it doesn't matter. People are going to watch this video because it's up 5,000, 6,000%. Of course, people are going to sell their gains at around that price because they got it at 6 cents. Of course, yes, people did indeed make 6,000%, but they did not make 6,000% from investing $20,000 or $10,000 or whatever their amount of BNB made. So even if you invested one BNB, you probably would have gone 10 or 20 beta tokens back, which is still nice. You're making, it depends, 20, 60, $80 depending when you're selling. So that's what beta token is essentially. That's what a Launchpad is. Of course, I made a few videos on the Launchpad here before, but here, a few keys, lenders. You guys can go on Beta Finance and click on the doc right here. This is essentially the white papers. It tells you why does it benefit lenders, borrowers, traders, and liquidators. So very, very interesting, very cool. Launchpads are essentially a way for companies to raise money without an ICO, because there's a lot of scams that happen out there. So in order to go to a Launchpad, you can't do an ICO. So let's refresh this and see what the charts are telling us. Of course, this just launched right now about 5 minutes ago. All-time high, $5.8. So there was a dump. This thing is going to dump. It's probably going to come back down to 1.2, maybe $2 in my opinion. Nothing too crazy to see over here. Let's have a look on the 1 minute time frame real quick, because this just came out. Peaked at 5.8, came back. Very, very new, guys. I can't do a TA on this, of course. So, of course, guys, if you guys like this video, leave a comment, like, subscribe. And before anything, down in the link below, I'm going to leave a Revolut account, or essentially a referral. That means that for the next 5 people, who essentially click on that link, they will be able or eligible to get $50. You have to be European, of course, so you have